How to find the lowest fare in Southwest Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Southwest Airlines website. In the website, add your trip type, your departure location, arrival location, departure date, arrival time, and after you've done that, at the bottom, click on Search with Low Fare Calendar. After you've clicked on Search with Low Fare Calendar, press on Search Flight. This is the best method. You can click on Search with Low Fare Calendar. It will show you a calendar, and there you'll find the lowest fares option according to the date. From here, if you find the lowest fare, you can simply click on it and change your departure date. You can select and also arrival time, and according to that, you can scroll down and it will show you the total amount. Then click on continue to flight times. After that, it will lead you to this page. Here, also select the lowest one. After you've selected the lowest, according to the time, press on select next flight, and after you do that, you can simply book. And this is how to find the lowest fare for your flight on Southwest Airlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.